Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in as an employee in the Home Depot website. For this, you need to search for the Home Depot employee login in the search bar of Google. Let me type it really quickly. And there you can see many search results of the search. Click on this SSO employee sign-on link. Click on this link. And you will be redirected to the employee portal of the Home Depot. Here you have to fill a form. And here in the location space, you have to put on the valid store number. Let me put it as 9100. And the second user ID, you have to fill your user ID. Let me put it as temp user. You have to fill your user ID of your account. And next is to fill up your password. Make sure your password is correct. Fill your own password of your account. And if you forget your password, you can change password also. And simply click on this sign in button. And if all the credentials are correct, you'll be signed in as an employee in the Home Depot. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.